Behind the bars, coming at ya in the shed. I just got a parcel turn up today, and I thought you guys might be interested to see what it is. So we'll unbox it and see what's going on in here. So yeah, it's a Smove mobile, just a gimbal for holding the GoPro and phones and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I haven't opened it yet, so I reckon the two of us should do that together. If I can work. What have we got here? So we've got a user manual, which is something that I'm going to have to read, I think, because this thing's pretty tricky. What else is here? Oh yeah, that's for the foot stand, so you can use it like a tripod, which is pretty cool. It's a little foot stand there. Here's the charging cable. Beauty. It's just a standard mini USB, and the cables for up on the gimbal itself, so you can charge your phone and stuff whilst you're using it. It comes in this really cool bag, which is good because it's like a nice wetsuit material, neoprene material, and so when you throw it in your backpack or something to carry it around, it's not going to get smashed up. But yeah, here it is. So there's plenty of reviews and all that sort of stuff on YouTube about this thing. I did a fair bit of research about it. I've been looking into gimbals for a fair while, and yeah, like I said, I've been. Yeah, that's how you weight it. And yeah, I researched this one and the DJI one, and I think a couple others, but yeah, this one here was the one that seemed to have the best reviews and everything. So it's also telescopic, apparently, so it should be able to pull that out. So it's sort of a mini selfie stick, which is yeah, another one of the features that I really liked. You're not supposed to turn this while you're pushing it back in. But yeah, hopefully it'll make the videos a little bit better, sort of when I'm, you know, filming stuff off the bike and whatever. I can use this gimbal. But anyway, cheers. See you later.